Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Knowledge Ki Dunya. So today I will share some myths and their truths. So start with the myth number 1. Chameleons change their color to blend in with their environment. And truth is, they change their color to reflect their moods. Second myth. Isaac Newton discovered gravity when an apple fell on his head. And the truth is, the apple fall on the ground next to him. Its fall helped to understand gravity. Next myth. You should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. And truth is, you should drink as much water as your body wants. Next myth. Banana is a fruit. And the truth is, banana is a herb. Myth. Eating carbs is unhealthy. And their truth is, only simple carbs are bad for you. Complex carbs are healthy. Myth. If you exercise, your diet doesn't matter. And their truth is, the desired result can be only achieved if you eat healthy. I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe.